I thought the workshop was something that gave us I think one thing that Michael and I talk about a lot is having the time to think through some overarching business decisions, but like more strategic. And we're so much involved in the day to day that we're just like on go, 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 and we have all these ideas, but taking the time to step away and actually brainstorm with other people and get other people's opinions on, oh, well, I hear what your problem is and what you're facing, but so it's nice to have an outside perspective to kind of help you recognize that, oh no, I need to focus on automation. Whatever it is. So I think we both found it very valuable from that standpoint because it was really us allowing us to take a step back and give ourselves the time to think strategically, but also to have people with different perspectives offering help into that thought process.
I I completely agree with everything that April said. I thought the quality of the conversations we had, both as a group about our specific needs and then the same for the other, people that were in the group. I thought the quality of the conversations were incredible. We learned as much or more from listening to other people's problems and the solves for that, and it generated more ideas for things that we should be thinking about within our business than just from the specific segments that were dedicated to the challenges that we came with, pre-prepared with. So it was really a great experience all around. And, I can't say enough about what Nick and Jess do, the people that they can bring together.